In this video, I will show you how to add slicers to a pivot table to filter your data. The dataset is a pivot table of sales for a grocery store, with a summary by product and category over time. To add slicers, go to the Analyze tab, click on Insert Slicers and select from the list of the pivot table fields. You can rearrange them so they are conveniently placed around the pivot table. This will act as a dashboard and the slicers will be used to filter the data. You can clear the filters of each slicer from the Clear Filter button. If you hold down the Control key and click, you can select or unselect multiple values. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.